This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Corinth, Texas, 76210 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Superstore. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 34 feet 9 inches in length and features sleeps 4, leveling jacks, water heater, TV antenna, smoke detector, external shower, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, awning, oven, stovetop burner, and 74 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 320 MKS is 10,721 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.